Hey y'all, here's just a little bit of detail on that speaker on the Super Duty. As far as where I mount it, I like to mount our wicket speaker right here. We put a nut and a bolt right through the bottom like that. It's real easy. We're going to run the wiring all up inside. I drilled my hole right through here, top there, right above that. I'm going to show you a little bit about where we mounted the Siren on this truck. Now you may have a little bit less room here. If you have, sometimes there's a connector under here you got to get out of the way, but I did double check all of my steering wheel movement and I'm able to put this right here. That's where we put the brain. So as I said, you might have to maneuver around a little bit there. I am using a relay, a typical 4-pin relay right there, because I am using one of the auxiliary feeds to feed the manual for air horn, or the auxiliary rather for air horn on positive. And then I'm using the relay to flip the positive auxiliary feed to a negative so he can have a siren as well. So that's how this is done, because the manual, yelp, wail, horn, those are all negative inputs. The aux is positive. So we set aux to air horn, positive for switch number, 5. And then we're going to use the relay to flip the positive signal from switch number 6 to a negative signal for the manual. So that's how you get siren and air horn out of the Carson setup on a Super Duty, using those factory switches up there, which I'll show you at the end of this build. But that's where we mounted it. I know you guys like to see that, so there you go.